this is the finished look of this unit and how are we liking it. Now let's get into the specs of what I have on today. So today I have on a Sensational wig. This is part of their textured lace wig Kinky Edges collection, and I have on the style 13x6 Kinky natural wave in 14 inches, and this is in the color 1B. And honestly, this is literally giving, like, I haven't done my hair in, like, I don't even know how long, maybe 2 weeks, maybe 3, I don't know, but it's been a long time, okay? And this is exactly what I needed to just give me that oomph. Now with this unit is for the curl types 3B to 3C, and it's a really pretty curl. Like, I really do like how curly it is. It's not like too much, and it looks very natural. I will say the hair is extremely soft as well. Now with this unit, it has a 13x6 HD lace, and it does come with kinky edges. So it's 13 inches in the front and then 6 inches of party space in the back. Now in the beginning, I tried to show what I was doing, but I don't know how clear it looked or what difference it made, but I wanted to make this look like my natural hairline because I do have a widow's peak. Now the only problem I was running into was I wanted to keep the kinky edges, so I was trying to figure out like how much I should pluck, how much I should keep, and all of that. So this is what I came up with. So it's only like a little bit of a widow's peak, and I did keep most of the kinky edges on the sides. Now, if you are going to be applying heat onto this unit, it is safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This unit can be worn glueless, and it does have an elastic band in the back so you can secure it to your head. Now, overall, I really do like this unit. I love how soft the hair is. The curls are really bouncy and just really soft, and I love how natural it is. This collection is literally chef's kiss. The lace is amazing. I love how it just melted into my skin. I didn't have to apply too much makeup onto the lace as well. I was trying to do something a little bit different. Usually I would install the wig on my head and cut the lace off, like the excess lace, but I wanted to try to see how it would be if I just cut off the excess lace first. And I kind of like this way better because you're not leaving any extra lace on here, and it just looks like a seamless install. Overall, I give this wig a 10 out of 10. Sensational is always gonna have my heart, honestly, because their wigs are just literally amazing. Now, if you guys are interested in this unit, I am going to be linking it down below for you in my description box, so look out for that. As always, thank you so much for tuning into my video. I really do appreciate you. Make sure you like and comment, and if you're not a subscriber, make sure you do subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.